I've been working in IT for more than 8 years now and decided to make the switch to IT after many years of doing landscaping. If you are thinking of starting or switching careers into IT, today I'll give you the top 5 reasons to work in the information technology field. There are many great benefits such as great pay, always working with tech as part of your job, having superpowers, system admins, you know what I mean, and flexible work schedules. I'm Jesse Sanchez, and thanks for tuning into the Ultratech channel. Let's get started. IT stands for Information Technology and covers the support, administration, and design and build of telecommunications and computer systems. Technology is one of the fastest growing industries with tons of demand as new technologies come out every year. At one point, people thought IT jobs would die, but there's always a need for someone to implement, to manage, and fix services that fall under IT, whether it's on-premise hardware or services that are in the cloud. There are also many different jobs within the branches of IT, such as computer support, network or system admin, IT manager, IT sales, cybersecurity, software developer, and many more. I have personal experience as a computer tech, network tech, system admin, and cybersecurity. Let's start with reason number 1. While it's definitely smart to have a career doing something that you love, it's also very crucial that you get paid good money since we all have to pay our bills and feed our families. The number 1 reason to work in IT is the great pay. Personally speaking, I've been able to get many promotions with some of the best pay in the country. According to an article from Investopedia.com called The 25 Highest Paid Occupations in the US, the number 17 ranked highest paid job is IT manager with a median salary of $161,000 a year, and this is only below surgeons, CEOs, and pilots. This is also the median, so there's a good chance to make even more or above the $200K a year margin. If you're enjoying this video, give us a like so it can spread to more people, and subscribe to our channel to get the best tech content. It would mean a lot to me. For reason number 2, your job will be working with computers and tech all day as part of your job. When I was younger, I used to build my own gaming computers, spend hours and weekends gaming. I even climbed a utility pole trying to see if any lines had internet since I was too broke to pay. Sadly, I never found any that did, but joking aside, I'm literally paid to be on a computer, either implementing a new service or technology, figuring out why something is not working, or even doing research on how to improve company systems and defend against attacks. Depending on what branch of IT you decide to work on, you will always be getting paid to work with cool tech all day. It doesn't get any better than that. For reason number 3, there will always be room to move up the ladder. There are some jobs that once you are in that industry, there's no room to keep advancing into new roles since there's a ceiling, and when you hit the top, there's no more room to advance. Within IT, because there are so many branches and specializations you can do, there will always be room to keep advancing, and even if you end up getting tired or bored of a certain position, you can simply switch to a different role that is more exciting or that even pays better. I have advanced from being a computer tech to a network tech to now a senior system admin, and the company I work for is now also paying to train me to advance into management roles. One thing you will always have to keep doing working in IT is always gaining new knowledge as technology keeps changing. I always try to get new IT certification every year so my skills do not get outdated. Right now, the industry is heavy on having workloads on the cloud. As an example, right now I am working on the Microsoft 365 Enterprise Administrator Expert, which will help me keep our MS 365 environment secure and help our users take advantage of all the services we pay for with Microsoft. Previously, I have earned certifications from networking and security such as the CCNA and the Security Plus. Reason number 4 is if you enjoy helping people within IT, you will have to help people as part of your job. This can come in the form of directly and physically helping people with their hardware, behind the scenes, over the phone or email, or even indirectly by keeping networks and cloud environments secure against attacks. There's always great satisfaction when someone comes up to me asking for help and I can provide that support that helps people solve their problems. I've even had people want to hug me and promise me a beer that they never end up giving me. But the satisfaction of solving a problem for someone so they can continue doing their job is enough for me. Also, because there are many fields within IT, you can pick a career to work directly with people or not, depending on what you like. Reason number 5 will be the daily challenges. I don't think I have had one day where I had to do the exact same thing. I remember as a teen working at a factory where we had to make wooden screens that companies use for screen printing, and it was literally doing the same wooden frames every minute, every hour, every single day, and it made you just want to kill yourself at the end of each day. At my current job, I can go from patching servers, fixing the network, giving a user a license for certain software, working with vendors to implement new solutions, and the list goes on. Once you work in IT, I always recommend you document all of your projects, as you can always refer back to them when needed in the future, or even to help out other engineers that may work on projects that you have done. I hope you have found this video useful and are excited to start working in IT with cool technologies. If you want to know exactly how I made the switch into IT, check out the video I made called How to Start Working in IT, which will give you the strategy that I used and will help you get started right away. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Until next time, Ultra Tech out.